All right, so here's the next one, problem number 4. So we are going to find the area of this whole shape. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, and you can split this up. So I'm going to make a shape out of this. Let me just do this here. So that's going to make it into a rectangle for this whole shape here. So I'm just going to shade that in. And then the other piece would be the triangle. So I'm going to shade that in. Now what I'm going to do is find the area of each piece. So we have here, this shape right here is, we know it's a rectangle. And the area of a rectangle is just the base times height, or length times width. And that's just going to be 80 times 60. And that is going to give us 4,800 meters squared. So we got that first piece. So that's the, let's see here, this green area here. And next we're going to find the area of the triangle, which is over here. So we need to figure out some information. We do know that from this whole side here is 170, okay? And then we do know that this side is 60, okay? So to try to figure out what this little piece is, we're gonna need to know that. So right here, this is the right angle. This is going to be the height of the triangle. We need to know what that side is. But we know that this whole side is 170. We're missing this little side here. To find that, we would need to subtract 170 minus 60. So this side is actually 110. So we need to find that first, because from here to here is 60. The rest of the way, to figure out that piece, we need to know what adds to 60 to get 170. Okay, so now we also need to know this piece here. This is going to be the base of the triangle, so that's the missing piece. So again, we don't know what that is, but we do have sides that we can help us figure it out. So we know this whole side here is 80. This little piece is 30. So that means that this piece here would be 80 minus 30. Okay, so that little piece is 80 minus 30, which is 50. Okay, so we do now know everything we need to figure out the area of the triangle. Okay, so for area for triangle is half the base times the height. Okay, so what we're going to do is 1/2 the base would be this side here, that 50. So half of 50, and then times the height, which was this side over here, which is 110. Okay, so we're going to take half of 50. That's probably the easiest thing to do. 2 goes into 50 25 times. So we're going to have 25 times 110. And then 110 times 25, I'm just going to do some side work over here. Think of it as just, okay, what's 11 times 25? Do that part first. So that's 5, that's 5, that is 2, that is 2. And so we have 5, 7, 2, 27, 50. Okay, for that part of the triangle. So that is equal to, which is right over here, area is 2750 meters squared. Okay, so that is for that red triangle now. To find your total area, we're going to add those two things together. So the total is 4,800 plus 2750, and I'm going to add that together. 15, carry the 1, that's 6, 7. So our total is going to be 7,550 meters squared, and that's going to be your entire total area there. Sorry for the messy handwriting there, but hopefully that helps. And so really the skill here is subtracting to find those missing sides that we don't know. Okay, hopefully that helps.